Fellow countrymen and women, rise up and act. Just wanted you to have a look at this. Because I asked you questions about that. Did you read that leaflet, that card, before preferring the charge? Did you read it?
No, at the time I did not read the full details.
The full details. I'm sure if you are ready, you will have a different position. You will change your mind. Can you read the particulars? Why? No, on the side in which I showed you. That side, yes. The call to action.
Fellow countrymen and women, rise up and act. Stop wasteful expenditure now. Why 80 ministers, not 20? We don't need RDC's cow and do the same job. We don't need RDC's, cows can do the same job. Stop the unnecessary wars. Stop the stupid succession parties. Reduce the high costs of living now.
That's wrong.
Again, how
What is criminal about that?
The calling, the mobilization.
The call is to do that. The call is to do that. What's wrong with that? Is that a crime?
No, the government works in different ways. It doesn't work downtown. People should act and rise ministers and many procedures council.
So the call to rise up was to do what?
Was to incite members of the public.
Incite members of the public to do what?